What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, November 28th. Holiday week is over, so hopefully the volume will come back a little bit. We'll see. Last night, I said first level I was watching well, it was actually 4012, and then 4002, and then the 9194 area, and that actually held. So your 92 quarters low, and it's come up now up to '04, so a 12-point rally from the bottom. You have a ES cash gap from 34 to 24. So I would look for that to be filled. It's kind of looking a little bullish now and looks like it wants to turn around, maybe come up, tap that, and then come back down. Or maybe that was our dip and everyone bought it. Right now, I don't know. So we've come up, come down, and we're above that 50 on the 3. So this needs back below '01 at this juncture. That will change in time. Here's your gap, 30 or 24 to 34. So that little cash gap there, or futures gap, excuse me. Pivots are going to be real tight because Friday was a real shallow day. Very low volume. In my mind, it was kind of a nothing day. Here's what we've got on the daily with our push, and then our 200 is at 40.60 or 40.59.5, but 40.60 basically. And then that magic, that trend line that everybody and their mother has on. So we'll be watching that. If we stay short of this and come back down, or if we just blast through it and just say, screw it, we're going for the moon. Here's your weekly. That's still intact as well. Your 200-day on the weekly is down at 36.36. So that's, again, that support that I watch as you can dipped here, dipped through there, and then kind of dipped here. So long term, I kind of look at that as support. If this breaks, then, we look at different things. But as of now, everything's kind of intact. I'm kind of agnostic today. I don't know. But above 34, you're going to have the 40 and the 46 and then 60. Below, if we break that 91 level, there's a lot of traffic right in the 70 to 73 area. So I would look for that to hold. Then another level with a lot of traffic is this 58 to 63 level. So those two levels I think will probably hold and be intact. Your 100-day is at 39.26. I don't see that today. I don't know. Relvol is high today. So we'll see. We could get a move. But Euro just rallied. This is amazing to me. So Euro was down and tipped, like 103.4 level. And now it's rallied up, 700. It rallied a full point basically on the overnight to tap this high. Now, I don't know if this will produce what's called a cycle inversion, where it'll tip up and that will be enough to get everyone off sides and then it drops, or if this just continues and the dollar's still on its way down. British pound still kind of hanging, but it also had a green. These are the daily charts. Cash gap right here, 40.37 to 40.10. That's back from September 12th. This 40.37's been resistance on SPX. You can tell it cut shy here, cut shy here, cut shy here. So that ideally, I think a lot of people, at least, I was thinking this, is maybe that they would fill this cash gap and then come back down. We've got another monster below that, 38.58, 38. I mean, that's a 90-point cash gap. So, and then we got this little guy, 56 to 49. But I would look at this as resistance until it gets into this area, and then maybe that's going to be your high, would be 41.13, and that's past that 200-day moving average and that trend line. So again, we could see a poke above that and then come back down, or just continue up. Again, I don't know. So we'll see. Time will tell. Stay safe today. And again, I ideally, I think that I would like to see, this up. It's only 34 points. Come on, we moved that in like 10 minutes. This tapped and then come back down. Or maybe the SPX cash gap filled as well. That would pretty much be both coincided. So anyway, that's about it. Stay safe, and I'll be in the room later this afternoon.